Hello everyone, today we will discuss about the clouds and their altitude. When warm rises, it cools, turning water vapor into tiny droplets or ice crystals. These clouds are formed in various shapes and sizes, categorized into three main groups based on their altitude. Clouds are classified by their altitude and general appearance into 10 main types. High level, cirrus, cirrocumulus and cirrostratus. Mid level, altocumulus and altostratus. Low level, stratus, cumulus and stratocumulus. Multi-level, rain clouds, nimbostratus and cumulonimbus. In high level, we have cirrus clouds. Look feather-like and wispy because they are primarily made of ice crystal stands. When you see a few cirrus clouds high up in a blue sky, it usually means fair weather. Cirrocumulus clouds. It appear as patches of cotton. They can sometimes mean that a warm front is approaching, along with possible winds and precipitation. It also indicates a possible hurricane if spotted in the tropics. Cirrostratus clouds. It looks as if a thin white veil of mist is covering the whole sky. They can predict that either rain or snow is arriving in the next 24 hours. They are also associated with halos, which are large, bright circles that sun or moon. Next, we have mid-level clouds. Altocumulus clouds are round and solid, usually with gray or white patchy layers. They often fill the sky with what look like fluffy ripples. Altocumulus are mostly associated with fair weather. Altostratus clouds. It appears as a bluish or grayish layers of clouds that often take up the entire sky and block the sun from view. They often indicate that a warm front is approaching and may thicken and become low-level stratus clouds. Can lead to rain or snow. Now we will go to low-level clouds. Stratus clouds. These thin gray-white clouds look like a sheet of blanket that covers the whole sky. They form when the weather is already cold and warmer. Moist air blows in stratus clouds are known to predict rain if it's warm or snow if it's cold, but can also produce fog when they are extra low to the ground. Cumulus clouds. Known as the prettiest type of cloud, cumulus clouds are big, white, and fluffy. They are mostly associated with fair weather. Cumulus clouds usually have a flat base with a cone-shaped top and look like the first type of cloud you might have learned to draw when you were little. Stratocumulus clouds are masses that form in a layer. They are seen as combination of cumulus and stratus clouds with a darker tint instead of looking bright white. Stratocumulus clouds signal fair weather with the possibility of a storm on the way. And we also have multi-level clouds. Cumulonimbus clouds are large, dark, vertical clouds that appear to grow high into the sky with bulging tops. They are often seen in very hot, humid days, and this is also a vertical clouds and are known to extend through all three levels of formation, high, mid, and low. When they are low, there are a warning for severe weather, from thunder, lightning, and rain to hail. Nimbostratus clouds. These clouds block out the sun and cover the sky like the altostratus, but they are much darker and thicker looking. They appear as dark gray, shapeless layers. Nimbostratus clouds look this way because they contain rain, snow, or ice pellets. They usually predict heavy rain or snow. Now every time we look up, we might just know what the clouds are telling us about the weather.